Hi, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Today we're on Grady-White's 336 Canyon. This is in stock at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Real quick video for you. If you need more info, give me a call, or if you need more pictures or anything, I'll be glad to do a longer video for you. This one's got the twin 425 Yamahas on it. Great new engine, super power package for this boat. One of the best things about those engines is that you can service the lower units from the top sides of those engines. This particular 336 Canyon has the refrigerated fish box in the back of the boat, has the cockpit side door, 2 live wells. Going up to the helm, you can see this has got the Yamaha joystick piloting on it. Nice thing about the 336 Canyon is the width right here. This is a 10-foot 6-inch wide boat, so you've got 3 people sitting side by side here at the helm underneath this huge hardtop on the boat. Really big console. This is an air-conditioned console. This boat does have a diesel generator on board. There's a real marine head. There's a berth down below. Great large console on the 336. If you're just cruising around or you want some comfortable seating, we've got some great seats in the front of the boat, nice and long, both sides. This one's got the remote anchor windlass on the front. It's got foot switches so you can run your windlass from either here or you can run it from the back of the boat. This is the Grady-White 336 Canyon. It's at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. I'm Grant. Give me a call today.